Hey there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to schedule Instagram messages on both iOS and Android. Whether you're managing a business, setting reminders for special occasions, or just planning ahead, scheduling messages is a game changer. This new feature lets you draft messages in advance and send them at the exact time you want, so you'll never miss an important conversation or deadline. Without wasting much time, let's jump right in. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated. Head over to the Google Play Store or App Store and check if you have the latest version installed. Once your app is updated, open Instagram and select the person you want to message. Type out your message, but instead of hitting send, press and hold the send button. A scheduling calendar will pop up like this. Use the slider to choose the exact date and time for your message. Once that's set, tap the send button and you're all done. Congrats! You've successfully scheduled your Instagram message. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment to show appreciation, and subscribe for more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.